Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we will open up our settings. If I can actually find it, there we go. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to General Management and select Reset. Swipe down, and at the bottom you'll find Factory Data Reset. Click on it and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes things like photos, music, and basically all user data. So if you want to keep anything of that sort, do make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now there are several different ways you can back it up. You could back it up, for instance, to the Samsung Cloud, to Google Cloud, or you can back it up using the Samsung Switch application on your computer as an example. In any case, whatever you're going to be backing it up with, if you're not planning or you're not sure if you're going to be sticking with Samsung, don't use anything Samsung, just straight up. If you're planning to, for instance, back up your device to the computer, don't use this bullshit application, Samsung Switch. Or not Samsung, but Smart Switch. Just manually select what you want to back up. Just drag it over, drop it, and you're good to go. You don't need this trash, because that trash will basically define what you can then restore this data that is being kept locally on your computer, what you can restore it to, which is just absolute insanity. It's your fucking data on your computer, and yet Samsung is being like, no. You can only restore it to Samsung. How dare you? Get something else. So do it manually, save yourself the nerve later on if you have any other device that isn't Samsung that you'd like to back up or restore this data to. This will just literally help you later on. So anyway, here I'm going to just select reset. I don't have anything that I want to back up anyway. And next you just want to select delete all. But before you will see the delete all, chances are you need to, number one, confirm your screen lock, and number two, sign out of your Samsung account. Samsung is the stupid bunch where it first tells you that you need to put in the screen lock, but that isn't a verification enough that this is your damn device. No, then you need to log out of your Samsung account. Which begs the question, why not just start with the logout? If I know the pattern, I probably know the account. If I know the account, I probably know the pattern, vice versa. It's interchangeable, so only one is good enough, Samsung. Now, I don't have any kind of protection here, no Samsung accounts, no Google accounts, no PIN, pattern, or password, so I can just automatically just select delete all, and there's nothing blocking me from doing that. So anyway, once you click on the delete all, the device will begin resetting, and this process is actually just stupid fast on this phone. It will take about 20 seconds or so to finish up, and I'm pretty sure we're probably like halfway through already, if not more. And it's turning on. Just give it a second. Okay, maybe a little bit more than 20, but we're basically done. Yep, and there we go. So that's about it. After it decides to show the screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.